In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Calendly API token. By the end, you'll have a secure personal access token you can use to authenticate with Calendly's API and webhooks. I'll also share a few best practices so you keep it safe and organized. Start by opening your Calendly account in a web browser. From the main dashboard, look for the Integrations and Apps section. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the top navigation or the sidebar. Once you're there, use the search bar and type API to quickly filter the available options. You should see the option labeled API and Webhooks. Select that to open Calendly's developer area. On the API and Webhooks page, choose Get a Token Now. This begins the process of creating a personal access token tied to your account. You may see a brief explanation of how tokens work. Review it, then click Continue to move ahead. Next, you'll be asked to name the token. Choose a clear, descriptive name that explains how you plan to use it, like the project or system it's for. If you have multiple environments, consider including the environment such as marketing dashboard, production, so you can tell tokens apart at a glance later. After naming your token, click Create Token. Calendly may prompt you to verify your identity for security. If you're asked to type in a code, enter the verification code sent to your email or authenticator app and submit it to continue. When the token is generated, Calendly will display it once. Click Copy Token to put it on your clipboard. This is the only time you'll be able to view the full value, so paste it immediately into a secure location, like a password manager or your application's encrypted secret store. Treat this token like a password. Don't share it publicly. Don't paste it into chats or emails. And never commit it to source control. If it's ever exposed, return to this page and revoke it, then create a new one. When you've safely stored your token, click Close. You'll return to the API and Webhooks area, where you'll see the token listed by name along with basic details. You won't see the token value again, but you can manage or revoke it from here if needed. That's it. You navigated to Integrations and Apps, searched for API, opened API and Webhooks, got a token, continued, named it, created it, verified with a code, copied it, and closed the window. Thanks for watching and keep your token secure as you integrate with Calendly.